Mastering antonyms, unleashing the power of opposites. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to venture into an exciting part of our journey into advanced vocabulary. We're focusing on antonyms. Our key topic in this video is recognizing common antonym pairs. As we delve into this, you will be equipping yourself with a powerful tool to help enrich your English language usage. So, let's get started. Before we jump into identifying common antonym pairs, let's revisit the concept of antonyms. Simply put, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, the antonym of hot is cold. Knowing antonyms will not only help you improve your vocabulary but also aid you in understanding context while reading or listening to English. Now, let's delve into the core of today's lesson, recognizing common antonym pairs. These are some pairs you'll often encounter in English texts and conversations. 1. Good, bad. 2. Above, below. 3. Joy, sorrow. 4. Love, hate. 5. Light, dark. 6. Rise, fall. 7. Accept, reject. 8. Brave, cowardly. Knowing these common pairs will significantly boost your comprehension and expression skills. The next step is applying these antonyms in sentences. This not only improves your understanding but also solidifies your recall. Let's see how we can use our antonyms. 1. Good, bad. He is a good person. He is a bad person. 2. Above, below. The birds are flying above. The fish are swimming below. 3. Joy, sorrow. She was filled with joy. He was filled with sorrow. 4. And so on. Make sure to practice using these antonyms in your own sentences to internalize them better. There you have it. We've just embarked on a journey to mastering antonyms, starting with recognizing some common antonym pairs. The key to learning these is consistent practice, so don't forget to use them in your daily conversation and writings. I hope this video was insightful and empowering. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.